Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by isolating the element you want to shape. Load EQ8 or channel EQ and play the section where the issue is audible. First, engage a high-pass filter and dial it up between 20 and 120 Hz to remove unnecessary sub-energy. This cleans the mix's foundation. Next, use a narrow bell with a modest boost and sweep slowly to locate harsh resonances. When you find one, reverse that boost into a cut. Once done, bypass to compare and make sure you've improved clarity. Now you shape character and intelligibility. With the track playing in context, use a wide shelf or bell to add presence between roughly 2 and 8 kHz. Small boosts make vocals and instruments pop. To remove mud, apply a gentle cut in the 200 to 800 Hz range with a medium Q, listening for loosened textures. If resonances change over time, automate band gain or employ dynamic EQ to react only when necessary. Make sure to /B. Small, musical moves preserve energy. Finish by checking your EQ decisions across systems so you know they translate. Switch to mono and listen for collapsed frequencies, then compare with a reference track to judge overall balance. If something sounds facey or hollow after aggressive cutting, try switching to linear phase mode or slightly widen the Q and reduce depth. This often cures combing and smearing. Once satisfied, lock gains and document settings. If problems persist, solo suspect bands and toggle them. Sometimes less is the quickest fix.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.